Reliability isn't about which car looks the newest or has the biggest touchscreen. It's about which one still runs perfectly when everyone else is shopping for a replacement. Honda has long been associated with longevity, but reliability isn't spread evenly across its lineup. Some models are proven long-term survivors, while others only shine on paper. In this list, we are focusing on Hondas that consistently deliver year after year. Low maintenance, strong engineering, and real-world durability. Whether you are buying used or planning to keep a car well past 200,000 miles, these are the 10 most reliable Honda cars to buy in 2026. Number 10. Honda CR-V. This is a compact crossover SUV, and these specific years earn their spot for one simple reason. Honda refinement finally caught up with modern complexity. The 2019 to 2021 CR-V pairs the proven 1.5-liter, naturally aspirated derived architecture with a well-sorted CVT that Honda had already spent years improving. Earlier versions suffered from oil dilution concerns, but by this point Honda had addressed software calibration, fuel mapping, and cold weather operation issues, resulting in a far more dependable package. These CR-V model years show above-average reliability with low rates of major drivetrain failure. Long-term owner and fleet feedback indicates many examples comfortably reaching 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. The simplicity of the powertrain means fewer failure points and easier servicing. Most independent mechanics are familiar with this setup, keeping repair costs predictable. Annual maintenance typically falls between $600 and $900, which is low for a modern crossover. With oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, and proper transmission fluid servicing, 300,000 miles is realistic. The CR-V produces adequate power for daily driving while delivering excellent fuel economy and smooth operation. Industry experts recommend this year's range because it represents Honda's fully sorted engineering phase after resolving early production issues that affected previous iterations. Number 9. Honda Civic. This is a compact sedan, and the latest generation Civic earns its place thanks to Honda going back to basics and refining what already worked. The most reliable configuration is the naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder paired with Honda's matured CVT. Earlier, Civics had occasional CVT calibration and infotainment glitches, but by this generation, Honda had fully sorted drivetrain tuning, cooling efficiency, and long-term durability concerns. The latest Civic ranks well above average for reliability, with especially strong scores for engine and transmission longevity. High-mileage owner reports show these models regularly surpassing 250,000 miles, and with disciplined maintenance, 300,000 miles is realistic. The naturally aspirated engine design means fewer stress points compared to turbocharged alternatives, and nearly any mechanic can service it without specialized tools. Annual maintenance costs typically range from $400 to $600, making it one of the cheapest modern cars to own long-term. With oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles and regular CVT fluid service, this Civic remains exceptionally dependable. Producing around 158 horsepower, it delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. Industry experts recommend this generation because it represents Honda's fully refined engineering, free from early production bugs. Number 8. Honda Odyssey. This is a minivan, and these specific years represent the Odyssey at its most refined. The 2019 to 2021 models pair Honda's proven 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 with the updated 10-speed automatic transmission. Earlier, Odysseys suffered from transmission calibration issues and electronic gremlins, but by this point, Honda had resolved shift logic problems and improved long-term durability. According to Consumer Reports, these Odysseys score above average for reliability, especially in engine longevity. Fleet operators and high-mileage owners routinely report 275,000 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance, even under heavy family or commercial use. The naturally aspirated V6 avoids the complexity of turbocharged or hybrid setups, meaning fewer failure points and easier repairs. Most mechanics are well versed in this powertrain. However, the annual cost of maintenance is reasonable for a vehicle of this size. With oil changes every 5,000 miles and regular transmission fluid service, long-term durability is excellent. The 3.5-liter V6 produces 280 horsepower, offering smooth power and confident highway performance. Industry experts recommend this year's range because it reflects Honda's fully sorted engineering after earlier production issues were addressed. Number 7. Honda Civic Hybrid. This is a compact hybrid sedan, and these specific years earn their spot for blending proven Honda engineering with low-maintenance electrification. The recommended configuration pairs the naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with Honda's refined EHEV hybrid system and CVT. Early hybrid Civics faced software calibration and battery management challenges, but by this generation, Honda had smoothed out energy flow, regenerative braking response, and long-term durability concerns. Meanwhile, the latest Civic Hybrid ranks above average for reliability, with very low rates of drivetrain failure. Long-term owner and fleet reports indicate these hybrids regularly surpass 250,000 miles with routine maintenance, thanks to the naturally aspirated engine's simplicity and fewer moving parts compared to other hybrid setups. Most independent mechanics are familiar with servicing this combination, keeping repair costs predictable. Users can spend about $400 per year, which is very reasonable for a modern hybrid. With oil changes every 5,000 miles and regular hybrid system checks, 300,000 miles is achievable. Producing 158 horsepower while maximizing fuel economy, this Civic Hybrid represents Honda's fully refined engineering, free from early production issues. Number 6. Honda Jazz. This is a subcompact hatchback, and these model years stand out for Honda's fully refined engineering in a small, efficient package. The recommended configuration features the naturally aspirated 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Honda's smooth CVT. Earlier Jazz models occasionally had minor transmission or electronic glitches, but by 2019, Honda had resolved calibration issues, improved engine cooling, and strengthened long-term reliability. Moreover, the 2019 to 2021 Jazz ranks high for overall dependability, with low rates of engine or transmission failure. Owner reports and fleet data show these models easily reaching 200,000 to 250,000 miles with consistent maintenance. The naturally aspirated design keeps things simple, meaning fewer components to fail compared to turbocharged alternatives, and most mechanics are familiar with the powertrain, making repairs straightforward. With oil changes every 5,000 miles and routine CVT service, the Jazz can surpass 250,000 miles without major issues. Its 130 horsepower engine provides responsive city and highway driving, while Honda's attention to detail ensures a reliable, low-stress driving experience. Number 5. Honda Ridgeline. This is a mid-size pickup, and these years make the list because Honda perfected a unibody design that combines car-like handling with truck practicality. The most reliable configuration pairs the proven 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 with a 6-speed automatic transmission, a setup that avoids the complexity and common failures of turbocharged or heavier-duty truck alternatives. Earlier Ridgelines had minor electronic and suspension quirks, but by this generation, Honda had addressed calibration, cooling, and drivetrain durability, creating a smooth and long-lasting package. These Ridgelines score above average for reliability, with engines and transmissions routinely surpassing 250,000 miles when maintained properly. Fleet and owner reports confirm that these trucks handle heavy-duty daily use without major issues. The naturally aspirated V6 also simplifies maintenance and repairs, allowing nearly any mechanic to service it. With oil changes every 5,000 miles and routine transmission and cooling system service, 300,000 miles is realistic. Producing 280 horsepower, the Ridgeline delivers smooth power, confident towing, and a dependable ride, reflecting Honda's fully refined engineering after resolving earlier production issues. Number 4. Honda HR-V. This is a subcompact crossover, and these years stand out for Honda's refinement of its popular HR-V formula. The most reliable configuration features the naturally aspirated 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a CVT, a combination that prioritizes durability and smooth operation. Earlier HR-V models had minor transmission and infotainment glitches, but by this generation, Honda had resolved these issues, resulting in a dependable and well-balanced package. The current generation HR-V ranks above average for reliability, with particularly strong scores in engine longevity and drivetrain durability. Owner reports and fleet experience indicate many examples reaching 200,000 to 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. The naturally aspirated engine simplifies repairs compared to turbocharged alternatives, and most independent mechanics are familiar with this setup, keeping service costs predictable. Producing around 141 horsepower, it delivers smooth daily performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and the kind of reliability that makes Honda SUVs trusted year after year. Number 3. Honda Prologue. This is an all-electric SUV, and the 2026 Prologue earns its place on this reliability list not by hype, but by blending Honda's engineering reputation with simple, robust EV architecture. Rather than reinventing the wheel, Honda built the Prologue on a tested electric platform, featuring an 85 kilowatt-hour battery pack that delivers an EPA estimated range of up to 308 miles, while capable of adding roughly 65 miles of range in about 10 minutes on a DC fast charger. According to early reliability ratings, the Prologue is showing above-average durability for a new EV, with Kelley Blue Book reviewers giving it strong marks for dependability. Honda backs this with a 100,000-mile high-voltage battery warranty, reducing the risk of costly repairs early in ownership. Unlike many first-generation EVs that bog you down with complex systems, the Prologue's design focuses on simplicity, quality components, and a familiar vehicle feel. Most service techs can address routine electric drivetrain checks, and annual maintenance costs remain competitive compared with gas-powered SUVs. With solid range, predictable charging, and Honda's emphasis on long-term reliability, the Prologue represents a dependable choice as Honda transitions into the electrified future. Number 2. Honda Accord. This is a mid-size sedan, and these years earn their place because Honda perfected the balance of performance, comfort, and long-term durability. The most reliable configuration pairs the naturally aspirated 1.5 or 2.0-liter four-cylinder engines with Honda's refined CVT or 10-speed automatic transmission. Earlier Accords occasionally faced minor electronic or infotainment glitches, but by 2018, Honda had resolved these issues, resulting in a highly dependable package. According to Consumer Reports, these Accord model years rank above average for reliability, with particularly strong scores for engine and transmission longevity. Owners and fleet reports show many vehicles surpassing 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The naturally aspirated engines reduce potential failure points compared to turbocharged alternatives, and most mechanics are familiar with servicing these powertrains, keeping repairs predictable. Annual maintenance costs are around $500, which is reasonable for a modern midsize sedan. Producing 192 to 252 horsepower depending on the engine, the Accord delivers smooth power, confident highway performance, and dependable long-term reliability, reflecting Honda's fully refined engineering after addressing early production issues. Number 1. Honda Pilot. This is a 3-row midsize SUV, and these years stand out because Honda finally refined the Pilot's drivetrain and addressed long-standing issues with earlier generations. The most reliable configuration pairs the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 with a 9-speed automatic transmission, producing a smooth, robust, and durable package. Previous Pilot models sometimes experienced transmission hesitation and minor electronic quirks, but by 2019, Honda had solved these problems, resulting in a highly dependable SUV. The 2021 Pilot scores above average in reliability, particularly for engine and transmission durability. High-mileage owner reports indicate these SUVs can regularly surpass 275,000 miles with routine maintenance. The naturally aspirated V6 design means fewer components to fail compared to turbocharged alternatives, and most mechanics are familiar with servicing it, keeping repair costs predictable. Producing 280 horsepower, the Pilot delivers confident highway performance, smooth power, and dependable long-term reliability, reflecting Honda's fully refined engineering after resolving earlier production issues.